What are cost centers in SaaS project accounting? Imagine trying to keep track of every dollar spent on a big project without losing your mind. That's where cost centers come into play, especially in SaaS project accounting. They are like tiny buckets within your organization where costs are collected and monitored. These buckets are usually departments, teams, or specific functions that spend money but don't directly bring in revenue. Think about your software development team, customer support, or IT infrastructure. Each of these units can be a separate cost center. In the world of SaaS, managing expenses is key because projects involve many moving parts. Costs like salaries, cloud hosting fees, software licenses, and even administrative expenses are assigned to these cost centers. This helps finance teams see exactly where money is going and make smarter decisions. For example, if the development team's costs are higher than expected, managers can look into why and adjust accordingly. Most SaaS companies use specialized finance software or enterprise resource planning systems that automatically link expenses to the right cost centers. This makes tracking real-time and generating reports much easier. It also helps with budgeting and forecasting because you can see how much each part of the project is costing at any point. Even though cost centers don't generate revenue directly, their efficiency is still measured. If a department is spending more than it should, that's a sign to look for ways to cut costs or improve processes. Hierarchically, organizations often organize cost centers from broad departments down to smaller teams, so they can see the big picture or zoom in on specific areas. For project managers and finance teams, managing these cost centers means better control over project budgets. They can approve expenses, track spending against plans, and analyze variances. This is especially useful in complex SaaS projects where multiple teams work together over months or even years. It helps ensure resources are used wisely and costs stay within limits. In the end, cost centers give SaaS companies a clear view of where their money goes, making it easier to keep projects profitable and on track. They turn what could be a confusing web of expenses into organized, manageable pieces. This approach supports smarter resource use, tighter cost control, and ultimately, healthier financial results for SaaS businesses.